buyer, my name is Rose from Timber Enterprises Company. And today, ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang Diesel2Elf Mini Dam Straight Chassis. Inquire or visit us now mga ka-sure buyer. We are located at MacArthur Highway, Barangay Kanyugan, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Opens Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. See you!